buddy. Look at that. Man, come on. All right, you're looking for a quick and easy fat loss meal? You gotta check this one out. This one is good. You're gonna like this one. I'm looking at 6 ounces of 96 lean beef. I'm gonna use serving of pizza sauce. And the secret, you gotta hit it with the Flavor God pizza seasoning, okay? And so then we're just gonna take, I have 1 bell pepper here that I scooped out the middle. 2 servings of cheese. You can use fat-free cheese if you want, whatever kind of cheese. I'm using regular cheese. This little guy right here is gonna come in at 50 grams of protein, all right here. So you're gonna end up baking this in a minute. Let me turn this up. Let me start adding some of this sauce in here. It's real quick. I just started cooking the meat. I'm gonna go ahead and add some of this pizza sauce. Make sure when you're getting your pizza sauce, check the back. You have to check the back so you see the ingredients in there. I'm gonna go ahead and look at that. And it's gonna start smelling like pizza real quick. I already got my little oven preheated. You can put it in the big oven. I've also heard about people putting them in the microwave for around, I think it's like 2.5, 3 minutes. I've never tried that. Whenever I did this the other day, I put it in the oven and that worked out great. So once again, this is what you're gonna need right here. The Flavor God pizza seasoning, okay? There it is. That's it right there. Woo, buddy, it smells like pizza in here now. Look at that, this is all you do. So easy. Like I said, this guy right here is gonna be 50 grams of protein. I mean, you can't beat that. It's just way too easy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stick, so I have 2 servings of cheese. I've measured them out. Make sure you measure the cheese out. Do not put your hand in the bag, just start dumping it in there and stuff, all right? Because you can just add a lot of extra stuff that you don't need. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of cheese on the bottom. Just gonna put a little bit of cheese on the bottom there, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and hit it with the pizza seasoning one more time. Add a little more in there. What I do also is I'm gonna put a little bit of the cheese in the meat so it already starts to melt, okay? The scooper now. So it's ready. Look at that. That cheese is already melting. Look at that. See that cheese? I mean, you just can't beat that. Look at that. Stuff it in there. There you go. Must try. Look at that. Just fill it up. Fill that joker up. Look at that. Okay, so we're gonna take that, put a little on top there. Doesn't even all fit on there. Look at that. I'm telling you. 50 grams of protein right here. I'm gonna pop it in the oven and I'll be right back. All right, so I just took that joker out. Look at that. Look at that. That looks good. For a little over 10 minutes at 350, I was hungry, so I'm ready to eat. And so, plus I like my bell pepper a little more crispy. But look at that. You just cut into it. So what you have is you have your bell pepper, you got your cheese on top, all your meat on the inside, pizza flavored. So it's basically a pizza pocket and a bell pepper. So keep the carbs low if that's what you're looking to do. And it's so good. You have to try this one. This one is so good. Like, subscribe. Show me some love. I'm about to tear this up. 50 grams of protein right here in this bell pepper. So let's keep getting better. Let's go.